What's up team, Gareth here with Xiaomi. We're here today on the south coast with the Xiaomi and the 11T Pro, and we're going to shoot some cool portraits. Let's get into it.
Xiaomi asked us to share the moments that made me, or in this case, us. So we thought we might share some tips and tricks that make us the photographers we are today.
Tip 1 is framing. In portrait photography, especially when shooting on a phone, utilizing different frames and perspectives with the model you're working with is important. On the beach here with Ella, I made sure to capture wide, mid and tight shots. They are all taken in the same spot but bring different moods. Tip 2 is details. The Xiaomi 11T Pro boasts a 5 megapixel tele-macro lens, allowing me to get even closer and grab some awesome details of Ella's eye.
Tip 3 is direction. So on shoot day, I make sure to develop a friendly rapport with my models before the shoot starts to create comfort, and then when shooting, I sometimes do the poses myself in order to give the model an idea of how I want them to look on camera.
Tip 4 is using in-camera filters. The 11T Pro has loads of amazing features, including filters that allow you to color your photos on the go, making shooting for stories that much quicker.
Tip 5 is depth. While out on a portrait shoot, it's always nice to get different angles to tell more of a story. I like to build out the scene by using high aperture modes in camera to bring focus to important landmarks or features in the landscape. You can see me adjusting the AI aperture on the screen here.
Right, that's the end of the shoot. I hope you enjoyed the tips and tricks video. We're wrapped up here at Beachy Head Lighthouse shooting on the 11T Pro, and I hope you enjoyed it.